Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I'm featuring another quick and easy card. This time I'm going to be doing a Valentine's card for my January card class. And so there's really not a stamping involved. You can see here I am folding my card base in half using my bone folder. And this one is 5.5 by 8.5 as usual. I have a piece of the Painted with Love Design Series paper, and this is the one that has foil in every single sheet of paper, which I think is great. This one is a square of 3 by 3, and this one is 3.25 by 3.25, and this one is very burst. I've already die cut the heart out of the Sunshine words. Let me just show you that one, as well as the word love. So I'm using this one and that one out of, oh sorry, Sunshine wishes. So I've already, like I said, die cut the heart, and I pre-made already a bow out of the gold 1/8 what is this, ribbon, gold ribbon. I have a piece of the very burst fine woven ribbon, I believe it is. Yeah, finely woven ribbon. And I also have die cut a little heart out of the Lots to Love box framelits, which is the one that comes in the Sure to Love You bundle. So I'm using this little heart, and like I said, the word was done in rich raspberry, and I have already die cut that one as well. So let's just put this together. The first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be folding this in half, and I'm going to be cutting the edge on that one, and I'm going to be putting a piece, and actually a little bit more, but I'm going to be putting this like so. And if it is too big, then you just need to cut a little bit. So like I said, there we go. Then I'm going to be putting this one, and I probably will putting it like so, because I wanted a little bit of set. So yes, I think I like it that way. So let me just put it here. Oop. Alright. Then I'm going to be using the Painted with Love DSP, and I'm going to be offsetting it on the other direction. There we go. Then I'm going to be gluing the heart with the fine tip glue pen, as well as the word. So let's just do both. So I get to concentrate a little bit because the areas are small. So, and you see me in the past, I always put glue everywhere. I think like this glue is awesome for this intricate die cuts, don't you think? I know some people get frustrated with it, but I really like it. So I'm just going to be putting it like so. I'm going to hold it for a second, just so that I make sure it's glue. And it doesn't take forever, but you do have to hold it for a little bit. There we go. And we're going to be doing, see, here, so still a little bit. Alright. And then I'm going to be putting the same here. On the word love. Alright, and for that one, I'm going to be putting like so. Again, you're going to hold it for a little bit. and it should be good. There we go. And as usual, do not forget to close the tip of your glue immediately after using it. Now I'm going to be using a glue dot to glue this little bow, and this bow is going to go here, and I'm going to be using one dimensional for this heart, and this one will go here. Alright, so here we go. Really quick and easy. Hope you have enjoyed it. I love how we have multiple things in the gold, so I can coordinate really nicely with the Painted with Love suite. And anyway, if you like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I try to upload videos frequently. And also don't forget to check my YouTube, my blog, which is creatingwithali.com. Thank you so much. Leave me a comment if you like it or if you have any questions, and see you soon.